My name is Jason Thomas. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at the LMS Doctor and the LMS Doctor International. I've been provided the great privilege of giving testimonial following my experience meeting Dr. Obom Bowen. To be honest, I was fairly skeptical at first. I spent over 15 years in the Naval Nuclear Power Program. I have advanced degrees in nuclear engineering and advanced engineering, and I say that to emphasize that when I say I'm not easily impressed, when I am data and scientifically driven, that I mean that. And I'll tell you what, I was blown away. It was a paradigm shifting opportunity and experience, not only for me personally, but for my business and businesses now. Taking just the beginnings of the tools that Dr. Obom is able to impart has driven my businesses 10 times faster than I would have thought possible before meeting Dr. O. He understands that the complicated has to be communicated simply, and simple doesn't mean easy. And he's able to do this so effectively and with a passion that is palpable in the room. If you ever have the opportunity to meet Dr. Obom or to sit in one of his workshops, I promise you within 10 minutes, you're going to be excited, you're going to be empowered, and you will leave with new tools and capabilities to take your business to the next level. He is the authority. He has unique life experiences that many of us have not faced, and he's been able to take that into success. My biggest takeaway is that he's allowed me to become comfortable in my uncomfortableness, to recognize and understand that comfort, especially in business, but as well as in life, is on par with complacency. You will never drive forward and move beyond where you're at if you are comfortable. To steal one of his quotes, if you fight for your limitations, you'll get to keep them. And I went into this knowing I was meeting a 20-year Marine, and as a sailor, I had some expectations for that. Even that blew me away. If you ever have the opportunity to cross paths, shake his hand. He's a decorated veteran. He is a wonderful person who, at this point, simply has a passion for empowering others to help lift you to levels that you didn't believe were possible. And I've spent 15 years and consider myself an expert in leadership. And leaders know that there's always opportunity to grow. Dr. O does that at an entirely different level. Right? He will establish your ability to see the future that you want, right? And you will know from the inside that you're going to get there, and he's going to give you the tools to do it. So I appreciate the opportunity to say thank you within this testimonial. It was a wonderful experience. I cannot wait to meet him again in the next few weeks at one of his 4-day summits. I hope to see you there. I know that I'm going to leave with more skills and power that my businesses will reach the next level. Thank you.